Hi guys, welcome to my another video. Nowadays, many websites built in WordPress are facing there has been critical error in your WordPress website. In this video, I will show how to resolve the issue. That problem may cause because of themes or plugins or the corrupted files of your core WordPress. So let's begin.
So in this video, we are going to fix there has been the critical error on this website message. Most of the website built in WordPress showing that message because of some issue in their plugin or themes. So let's start now. For this, you must have your web hosting control panel credentials. You have to log in to your cPanel or direct admin or any other control panel. I am using here a panel. So at first, to resolve it, I will try by disabling the WP content folder. Let's disable the WP content folder by renaming it. Then try to refresh the page. Okay, the problem still exists. So it means the problem is not creating by any theme or plugins inside the website. So rename it again. Now compress the folder WP content. It may take few minutes. When it's done, select all files, then unselect the WP content and WP config, these two files. I'll unselect some other files that I have uploaded previously. Basically, you need to have WP config and WP content folder only. Then delete rest all other files and folders. Everything is deleted. I have uploaded WordPress 6.2 already. Let's unzip it. Move them to the root folder. Now you can delete the WP content. That is the newer one. Because it doesn't contain any themes or plugin or your previous images. And you can find out your old WP content folder. Unzip it. It may take a little bit time. Okay, let's refresh the page again. The website is now loading perfectly. So our problem is resolved.